Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check the storage space in your Oppo A16. To do this operation, go to the settings, scroll down and search for a storage option. And as you see, our phone has 32 GB memory and there is 18 gigabytes usage for some case, and this is image, video, audio, document, application, other, and system, and there's 10 gigabytes. It's very big usage for the system in this phone. So as you see, there is all the option. There is very easily. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.